Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Just wanted to show you guys some of my new acquisitions off of eBay before I start restoring them and cleaning them up. First thing I got here, I got all in one lot. I got a Riemann Clean. Focusing on there. Nice old Riemann Clean pipe cleaner. Excellent shape. Still got the little bits that go on the shank drill bit. And then we got, this was just thrown in extra, it wasn't even listed in the auction. It's a Andrew Jackson old little pipe here. Don't know how old it is. It looks pretty old from the logo on the base there. Let's see if we can focus on that. Where are we here? Bang. I got another one that didn't come with a stem on it or anything. It was broken off. Has a better looking logo than that one, but it doesn't even look like it's made out of briar. Anybody know what these pipes were made out of, and if it's even worth firing the sucker up and trying to smoke out of it? Probably not. It'll probably just be an ornamental piece for me. And then also got this nice little humidor rack. We're gonna get out of focus here with 6 pipes. I'll show each one individually here. Alright, number 1 here, we got a nice old custom built Paul. Gonna clean this sucker up tonight and make it all beautified. Number 2, another custom built, I guess this would be a Lovat with a saddle stem on it. They're all in pretty decent shape. Bowl, top of the bowl isn't really all charred up and gouged, which is a nice find. I lose one off my desk here. And then another custom built. I guess most of these ones are probably Tracy Minter era. And then another custom built. And one more custom built. And finally, Deconning-Tia, sort of a, basically I guess that's like a Peterson P-lip stem on there. Bowl's in excellent condition. Stem's green and oxidized and needs to be cleaned up, but I don't know what the heck is in here on the stem. You can see that. It's like something broke off there and I can't get it out of the hole. I know these are, I think, a 9mm filter pipe, but I don't know what the heck that is in there. Can't seem to pry it out, and I don't want to bust the piece on the mortise there. Oh well, maybe we'll get this one smoking again, maybe I won't. Maybe we'll just hang it on the shelf and it can look pretty. Alright guys, I'll do another video, possibly one showing how I'm restoring these, cleaning them up, and buffing and cleaning them. Alright, till then, ciao for now.